Alright, it's Friday, and we were supposed to not be here working today, but we did, because our plans changed, rain's coming, and we ain't riding. So, we decided to work today, but I ain't working all day. So I figured, if you guys don't follow us on the Instagram and the TikTok and the YouTube and all that shit, I figured I would do a video today to show you guys something. Plus, we're going to do a little bit of a giveaway probably. The hat thing at the car show went over pretty well. So we're going to do another one. And we're going to give another hat away. Can't buy them yet because we're waiting to get another purchase in. But stay tuned till after the video. Towards the end, I'll tell you what you need to do to win a new fucking hat. How about that? So, it's Friday. I'm off the clock. Cheers. Follow me. So, if you haven't seen us on YouTube, you haven't been following or anything, this is the 67 C10, which we have done a shitload of metalwork to. We've literally replaced from the cab corners down in this, and we have a bunch to go yet. So, yeah, that's where we're at. You can see we're getting ready to build firewall. I had to rebuild literally the whole lower half of this thing. It's ridiculous. New doors. The fenders are going away. We're starting to get new pieces. We should have had like literally the whole truck show up today. The bed, sides, and the whole 9 yards. But we did not. So I'm sticking to the Riviera probably for another week until we get the rest of this shit. I'm literally rebuilding everything inside here. Up the firewall, the whole firewall, the inner wheel wells, the whole 9 yards. This thing's going to be badass. Like I said, we started getting parts today, which we didn't get all the parts, but this is just a little run around on this. And behind you right here is the 65 Riviera. It's the clamshell headlights. And this thing literally, this whole ass end basically has been rebuilt. Literally in the middle of rebuilding this entire window channel on this right now. This doesn't look crazy. Like when you look at this thing, it doesn't look crazy, but then like we're rebuilding this whole structure. This whole top edge has been rebuilt. These side edges has been rebuilt. We're going to come back in and we're going to do a little bit more work to it to straighten everything out. So we just literally replaced all this shit today, finalizing that. The trunk has already been done. We did a couple videos. I believe Facebook has a video or two on this, but this whole trunk has been completely rebuilt. The bumper has been smacked around, bent around, shaped, reshaped, redone, the whole 9 yards. Quarters lower. This whole section has been rebuilt. Literally everything had to have been built by hand. So literally like both sides, this pretty much all this shit has been rebuilt. But we're just working our way forward on this. It's going to be awesome, but you know, that's just the way it works. And here is the 68 C10. This one here is from Tennessee. Oh, the Riviera, that is from right down the road. That's the only local stuff we have here in Indiana. This one here is from Tennessee. That other C10 is actually going to Hawaii when it's done, so that'll be badass. This one here we're finishing up for the guy, and it's pretty sweet. As you can see in here, we got a lot of wiring and everything going on. We're finalizing everything. Vintage airlines are coming in. We're hiding stuff where we can hide stuff. We're hardlining where we can hardline stuff. This one is going to be pretty freaking awesome. This one's a lot farther along than the other ones, obviously. You know, this actually looks like a truck and has paint on the damn thing. But finalizing everything in here, like I said, vintage air. brand new wiring, low car shit, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So, like I said, I was just trying to give you guys a heads up here in Facebook world. If you guys don't follow us anywhere else, you should. You can see a lot more content, a lot more parts of the build. All right, like I said, at the end of the video, we're going to give away a hat. We're going to give away this hat. So, hopefully I don't have to do any more takes because I'm running out of beer. You know what I mean? So, the bottom of this video, not ones that people shared. I'm going to share it to my personal page, but you're going to have to go from my personal page or whoever shared this back to I.B.F.HotRods page, and at the bottom of the video, that little comment section, you're going to have to put hashtag it's all about the build. That's right, hashtag it's all about the build, because that's what it's all about around here, ladies and gentlemen. So, the only other stipulation is you got to follow us. You know what I mean? You got to like us. You ain't going to just cherry pick a free hat. You know what I mean? You got to at least put 2 seconds worth of effort into your ability to get this hat and whatever else we give away later on. You know what I mean? So, stay tuned. Comment on this video. Hashtag it's all about the build. I don't care. You can spell it wrong. Not too wrong. You know what I mean? It's like Final Jeopardy. I'll let it slide a little bit, but we at least got to be able to figure out what the hell you're trying to spell. So, till next time, we're going to do it. We're going to give this hat away next Friday, which is, I don't know, sometime in August. The second Friday in August, because this is the first Friday. Whatever date that's going to be, that's when we're giving it away. So until then, cheers, ladies and gentlemen.